Hello, friends. Casey here. Good Lord, Mom is on a new kick. She started brushing my teeth today. Yeah, can you believe it? She came at me with a toothbrush and I saw her coming after me and I took off. We ran around the house 3 times before she caught me. She chased me down like a lioness after a zebra. And when she got me in her famous scissor lock with her legs, I knew I'd been beaten. Even Dad can't get out of Mom's famous scissor lock. She said to me, Casey, we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. She came at me with a toothbrush, but I kept dodging and weaving my head so she couldn't get the toothbrush in my mouth. It was great. But then she gave me an ultimatum. She said, well, we can do this now, or I can try again tonight after dinner. I thought for a minute. You know, I would hate to brush my teeth after dinner, because that means I wouldn't be able to eat any more food after that, and to be honest, I'm just not ready for that kind of commitment. So I relented. I let her brush my teeth. Good grief. What's gonna be next? Anyway, speaking of toothbrushes, did you hear that Oral-B and Queen Latifah are making a toothbrush together? Yeah, they're calling it the Clean Yatifah. It's hysterical. Anyway, I'm going to leave you for this evening, but before I do, how about a word of the day? The word of the day is tequila. That's right, tequila. Let me use it in a sentence. I just watched the movie To Kill a Mockingbird.